This is the March TOYL box, Time of Your Life. It has a value of over £135 and the edit is called the Caring box. Let's get in here, guys. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I've got an unboxing for you, and it is this. This is the March TOYL box. Let's get her open. If you are interested in this box, it is £40 per month. Yeah, £39.99. And I can't get in this box. I will leave a link down below in the information box for you if you are interested. Oh my god, I had to really fight to get in there. But this box is aimed at the more mature skin type, 35-40 plus. But guys, you can get this while you're younger. Start prepping your skin ASAP. But yeah, this is inside. We have the edit card, which has information on everything in here, which is great. On here it just says this edit is called the Caring box. Interesting. And then it's all nicely neatly packed. There we go. I've just moved everything up so we can have a little bit of a sneak peek there. So it just says on the edit card that this edit is worth £135.95. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Just looking at all of this as well, there's some paperwork in here, and on this leaflet it just says, let's have a look, if it takes your fancy, use the code HELLO, all capitals, and you'll save 50% off your first box. So yeah, if you want to screenshot that, you are more than welcome. But yeah, if you want to subscribe to it and get 50% off, that's a really good saving. So just quickly looking at this note on the edit card, it just says, I think we're all thrilled that most of those winter days are behind us, and already down south we've had a few days where we've actually sat in the garden with sunglasses. This month's box is a starter box to get your skin ready for spring. In short, we're looking to get rid of the winter dullness, I cannot speak, and give ourselves a glow up. There's all of that there too. I'm gonna ignore that bit and just get straight to unboxing the products, which is the bit that I love. First product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Votary. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Know me, I'm probably not. And this is a natural glow day cream, and this has an RRP of £70. 70. Wow. Luxurious, gorgeous beauty in a pot is what this day moisturiser is from award-winning Votary. Created by a makeup artist who knows that great makeup starts with great skin, and it's the perfect glow up in a pot. Get your skin ready for spring glow. After cleansing, massage into clean skin with fingertips. Nice, easy to the point. Ooh, let's have a little look. So there is the pot there. Very heavy. Shouldn't be opening this because it's £70, but smells quite fresh. This is what it looks like. Oh, that looks really nice. Not too thick, but feels indulgent. There it is. I put way too much on there. Oh, excuse me and my bruises. I am absolutely covered in bruises. Look at the state of that. Had keyhole surgery on Monday, and my whole body's like black and blue. That feels amazing. Oh wow, that feels so hydrating. My face is gonna love that. The second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Formula Prescott, and this is Tri Balm. It has an RRP of £30. Luxurious facial balm which cleanses, exfoliates and moisturises in one step. Tri Balm contains No harmful chemicals, paraffins, silicones or synthetics. It's easy to use, non-spill and suitable for all skin types. Tri-Balm is the ultimate multi-purpose product. How to use: straight from the stick, apply to face and neck, gently massage using upward circular movements. Facial massage helps to promote healthy glowing skin. If using as a cleanser, remove with a soft damp cloth. That really sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Really different. Oh, alright, it's a screwy lid. But this is what it looks like. That is how much product is in it. So quite a lot of product in there. Wow. Smells lemony. Ooh, so just putting that on there, kind of just like, as it touched my skin there, melted lovely. Nice. Look at that glow that it's left there. Ooh. Okay, that certainly is intriguing. That's a very strong lemon scent. Normally the lemon scents that I like are kind of the sweeter lemon scents. This is not a sweet one, but we'll certainly give it a go to see what it is like. Interesting. The item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Christoph Robin and it's Regenerating Shampoo. This has an RRP of £31. Wow. It just says, discover the transformative benefits of a precious natural treasure. Nourishing shampoo enriched with prickly pear oil gently cleanses dry or damaged hair to leave it looking healthy and revitalized. Hair feels stronger with a sleek glossy finish. That actually sounds amazing. It's for all hair types, especially dry, heat damaged or chemically damaged hair. That is really awesome. And wow, £31 for a shampoo. I'm terrible. well, I'm a cheapskate. What I was gonna say, I keep an eye on the pennies. But yeah, unfortunately there's no matching conditioner, so I might have to save up some pennies and go and buy the matching conditioner that goes with this so we can try it out. But love this brand. I've had some amazing scalp scrubs by this brand. Just been wow. Actually smells really nice as well. Ooh, nice. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get me a conditioner to go with it. The fourth and final product in the box is this, and as you've noticed there is two of them. This is by the brand Beauty Pro and it's a Nourishing Collagen Sheet Mask. They have an RRP of £4.95 each, and it just says the olive extract works to not only reduce signs of aging and promote regeneration of cells, but it's also a powerful ingredient protect against sun damage and treatment of hyperpigmentation. The marine collagen will reduce dryness and boost moisture levels as well as improve skin elasticity, making it great for anti-aging treatment and perfect for when the skin feels like it needs a little bit of extra pampering. And what they've done is they've given one to the subscriber and one that they can gift to a friend if they choose to do so, if they're feeling generous. Yeah, that is really nice idea. I love Beauty Pro. Nice affordable brand. Their sheet masks are amazing for the price that you pay for them. Absolutely amazing. So yeah, I have these to add to my collection. Awesome. So this is my March TOYL box, Time of Your Life, the Karen edit, worth over £135. What do you think? Personally, I think this is a fabulous box. The moisturizer that's £70. Wow, that feels amazing on the skin and it smells really nice. It just feels really indulgent. The 3-in-1 balm, I'm not sure on that one. We'll have to give it a couple of tries beforehand. The smell of that lemon is rather strong. That's a little question mark for me. The fact that we get 2 face masks in here is amazing. So like I say, you can share with a friend or you can just save it for a later date for yourself and indulge in yourself. Why not? Pardon me. And then we have the Christoph Robin shampoo. Would have been lovely to get a conditioner in there as well. I would have sacrificed getting half of the size of that shampoo to get the same size conditioner to match it, but that's just me. But either way, I'm going to go and get the conditioner to match that so we can try it out. It smells lush. But overall for the box, I think it's a good one, guys. It really is. So yeah, if you are interested in joining, I will leave links and everything down below in the information box, so make sure to check it out if you are interested. I am just so happy that this has managed to come to my new address. Well, it's not my new address anymore. So I'm just glad that it's got here, so that's put a smile on my face. That concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.